Mweri wakwa wa njera njigwe no ndirakiurura guku mwena wa Tigoni Limuru kuria kuma na igogona ya Kikuyu Love Session na handũgamĩte na MC of the day, a very beautiful woman.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Tukona kuria kwa Kameme TV.
Yes.
Kiratha
rucini tuna maina kihumo kunikuo twaragiria Agikuyu. Yes, akirima na aja wa itoka cia Kenya aria me diaspora.
No muthe ukiregu.
Umuthi ndiguku ndita MC wa Kikuyu Love Session, catching feelings edition, and I love it. Yes.
How is the feeling doing this?
Wa mbere ni gikeno kinene muno kuona ati it's a sold out event. Tondu tickets cia thirire ona like 3 weeks tutana kinya event. Wa kere ni kuona andu mbeu njithi tondu niwona uku gutire na andu miaka yao ne mithiangu ni mbeu njithi yendete unduire wao, yendete nyimbo ciao, yendete aini ao, so ni kiundu kiega mo, it's like an awakening, no njugire uguo. Yeah.
Wow, niregwa ginya thauti ni ya mutangathi ona ndarasta
mutangathi njorwe
ona gutire go struggle kana ke.
Thank you. Yes.
Wow, na we gukorwo ukiona andu ni mararumbugia Ugikuyu kana gukorwo ukiona ati Gen Z aingĩ nio ginya nita maratindika ciari ni murateaniria Gikuyu na ki ungihe mu Gen Z umwe atia hau?
Ingimera gutire mundu utari meri yake, gutire mundu utari kihumo giake, na ni wega angikorwo ni oi ruthiomi rwaku urwarie, ungimenya unduire waku tutire igocenjie twike maundu ma unduire, no ni wega kumenya tumite ku nigetha tukinye haha, tondu maundu mothe twikaga we all of us ona Jesu ri ari Muyahudi tigaketie gutire mundu utari andu ao forefathers, so ni kiundu kiega muno na ngeigwa ndi mukenu. Yes, yeah.
Apart from the media industry and apart from K, what else do you do?
Well, ni ndi maundu maingi. Well, no njugire mothe mohanitio na media tondu ndi mutangathi, ni njikaga PR tondu ni ndi kambuni ya PR ya ku manage aini, kindu gitagwo creative communication. Of course ndi nyina wa mundu, koguo rucio nirongerwo mami yeko breakfast. Here is my breakfast. Na mau mothe ni njikaga mentorship, ni ndi organization itagwo The Next Girl, tondu nigetha maundu ni ndiganiro miaka no jeri ndikuhota kurugaruga haria, uguo no nginya ngoro na Nonsizi kangi kanini ndiranyita guoko, uguo ni njikaga maundu maingi. Of course ku MC kidogo ndahota kuina musinione hivyo. Kidogo guko gituika ni kuo mari mururi kidogo. Yeah, but yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a very encouraging story. Kuona ate mutumia ni aretha 1 2 3 wagweka ni ndiage thoma itange kinyitirira media tu
wekirathi ni roya noti na hende ndendagia ginya media dia covid tondu diari wira guti kindu changetia ni and I am, and it does not define you. Wetume gukunja umenye waikara nyumba gutire mundu kuona kiheo giaku, gutire mundu kuona taranda yaku, ni wira muingi. It's not an easy job, no, eventually it's very fulfilling. Yes.
Wow. Areria mundu mwe hau uri uraigwa kange kwa ngoro, and I love this psych ndiraigwa twendere nginya tuikare the twarie story.
Mundu ngigwa tange kwa ngoro ingimwira atiriri, don't give up. It is not over until it's over. Na muturire ni miambato na mikurukiriro. Ungiuga ndwe gwikondu tondu ni uretigira ku fail, ndukalan. Koguo wanjagireria undu ukahitia rimwe, ukahitia meri, ria gatatu ugatuika pro. Na gutire utuika thabari ndayanjagia na ikinya rimwe. Ona memerekia ria nguthi, ona tengeria ria nguthi, mundu aharagirio ti haha. No go deka stage. It's not work that is done here. Ni maundu mekagirwo behind the scenes, ni kuruga magishisho-ini ukaimagine we na crowd, ni gwika research, ni guthoma, koguo mundu ekurie na witume gukunja. You never know who is watching. No toria kirekano kiugaga ndo wanairwo taranda kihitha yake no ukamiona, wamekunikiria ri no ukamiona. Otugo ndaiga ni wira muingi, no mundu ndagakwe ngoro. If you need inspiration, you can reach out in the DMs kaundu karia gothe wekaga geke na ngoro yaku yo totari na rucio. Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Kuma guko
githaka no hunjie ndamwetie muhothi
hothe ni wele nä tå kå hotha kuma gå kwa njä ra njigå we are so grateful nä å ndå wa
Have you enjoyed yourself?
very hey.
Who was your best act?
The best singer nini
Unajua batirĩkĩtie othe ma so far arĩa othe ma performete we enjoy muno.
Eric
Wainaina.
Thank you very much nĩ ũndũ wa your time nĩ ũndũ wa kwaranĩria na ithuĩ we are so grateful. Oh niĩ njĩtagwo Njeri wa Ndung'u nĩ twĩrĩgane.